Wow, the jollof rice is ready. It's my turn today to cook for my sisters, the Enugu State women in the UK and Ireland. Where are you watching from? Please don't forget to support our YouTube channel by liking, commenting and subscribing. Subscription is free. Please do not forget to put on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever we upload new video. Wow, the aroma in my kitchen is something else. Yummy jollof rice. The jollof rice is ready. This is for my sisters, for any state women in the UK and Ireland as well. For our August meeting, August 2026. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Already. I've made previous video on how to make Nigerian jollof rice. If you want to learn how to make this, please watch the full video on my channel. Thank you for watching. Please support our YouTube channel by liking, commenting and subscribing.